Hello and welcome to Yoga with Louise. Today we are going to enjoy a short practice of Yoga Nidra, a way to support the nervous system, to help it relax, to find true rest. And I would also love to know what your Sankalpa is today. So your Sankalpa is a seed, an intention that we can set just at the beginning of our Yoga Nidra. So my intention today, or my seed that I'd like to plant, is that I am creative. So I invite you to come down and lie on your mat. Now you can lie on your side here, whatever is comfortable for you. I've got a blanket here because the body does cool down. And I want you to start at your feet here and just check in. Are the heels comfortable? Are the feet comfortable here? Do I want them slightly wider than the hips? Do I want to bring them closer together? And what about the sit bones? Do I need to lift the hips up a little just to get the sit bones comfortable? I'm lying on my mat, so comfortable on my mat. What about the shoulders? Are they tucked down away from the ears? Do I have to lift them and move them here? Are my arms relaxed? The palms facing up. And what about the neck here? Do I want to move my head from side to side just to get a comfortable, balanced position here? Do I want to tuck the chin in a little? So just check in, is there anything that might just grab your attention during this short practice of Yoga Nidra? And when we're ready, we will just take our slightly deeper breath in and sigh out through the mouth. Allowing our body just to get heavy where we are. As we take another deep breath in and sigh out the mouth. And then let's plant our seed, let's plant our Sankalpa for this practice. Now you can say this to yourself or out loud. So I am planting the seed. I am creative. I am creative. I am creative. And I'll just let that sit. Now let's begin our short practice of Yoga Nidra. Let's bring our attention to the left foot. The left knee. The left sit bone. And just let the full left leg get heavy where it lies. And now let's bring our attention to the right foot, the right knee, the right sit bone. Let the full right leg get heavy where it lies. As you allow both legs to feel heavy, but knowing they are supported where they lie. And now let's bring our attention to our left hand, the left elbow, the left shoulder. Let the full left arm feel heavy but supported where it lies. And now let's take your attention to the right hand, the right elbow, the right shoulder. Let the full right arm feel heavy but supported where it lies. Let both arms feel heavy but supported where they lie. And now let's bring our attention to the lower back, the middle back, the shoulder blades. Let the full back feel heavy but supported where it lies. And if the mind's already beginning to wander as it does, just bring the breath back here. Just bring the mind back to the breath as you take a breath in through the nose and out through the nose if that's available to you. And now let's bring your attention to the jaw. Let the jaw soften. Let the tongue relax in the mouth. Let the forehead relax any tension. Let the eyes soften. Let the back of the head soften and get heavy here, as you allow the full head to feel heavy but supported where it lies. Let your full body feel heavy here, but knowing you are supported where you lie. As we bring your attention back to our seat that we planted earlier, we can repeat this again 3 times. You can repeat this out loud or to yourself. Allowing the body to be still here. And then we can gently bring ourselves back into the room. We can wiggle our fingers and toes. We can take a deeper breath than what we would usually. Sigh this one out through the mouth. Noticing how you feel here. Knowing that you've created time for true rest. You set your intention, your seat here, your sankalpa. can turn to a comfortable lying position here. Again, there's no rush. We've been gentle with ourselves. You can keep the head resting on your mat here. As we just feel that belly rise with the breath. And allow the body just to stay heavy here, feeling gratitude for this short practice of Yoga Nidra. And as you rise, you can keep the eyes closed, or you can open your eyes just to come back up to a comfortable seated position. You can keep your blanket over you. As we keep the palms facing up here, and just notice how you feel. Do you feel energized? Do you feel rested? Please let me know in the comments below how you found this Yoga Nidra. And let's close our practice by breathing in as we bring the arms up. We can look up to the hands as we bring them together into our Anjali Mudra. As we take our breath in here. Pausing and then sighing the breath out. And again, notice how you feel here. Sometimes we notice more in the pause rather than the doing. As we just sit for a moment, enjoying this rested state of mind and body. And I thank you so much for practicing with me today, this short practice of Yoga Nidra. I hope it has helped either to one, energise you, or to give you that rest that you so needed. And I hope to see you in my next video that I will release again next Monday. So please comment below. I always love to hear where you are watching from, or would you like more of these videos? I also have a 6-week course that is beginning on the 1st of October, Wednesday the 1st of October, so you can check that out in the description below. And again, thank you for practicing this short practice of Yoga Nidra. Namaste.